Hi everyone, we have a brand new models here in Cadence. We're located there's 4 models here that's displayed, but there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I think there's a third page, about 9 models, 9, 10 different floor plans. 4 models displayed. We are in Cadence and we're checking out Taylor Morrison. Let's go take a step inside of this one. This one's called the Spruce. Now this one's going from $529,000 starting price without your upgrades, just your base price. But since it has 10 models that you can choose from, you're starting from the low 4s, mid 4s, I'm sorry, all the way up to the mid 5s. So check this out. Taylor Morrison does a good job in the interior design, but they do give you higher finishes. They are rated like the most trusted builder right now. So people are really liking what they see from Taylor Morrison. Decent backyards, come take a look. Now Cadence, they have it blocked off. I'm not sure why, it's not even a pool back there. But Cadence is a new and up and coming area. This is a master plan community. So you're gonna have 2 HOAs here. Now, I didn't get any HOA information here, but leave a comment and I'll definitely reply back to you. But tell me what you think about the kitchen so far. Even the decor is nice. I kind of match with it out. Well, I think I got a little orange in there, a little brown. I'll give you a quick little sock check too. I have my Freddy's on. My Freddy's matching here. Come this way. So this is gonna be the sales office, but it leads you into your 2-car garage. This is gonna have the office, which I'm sure can be converted into a bedroom. Not too sure, and you have your half bath down there. And you always have closet space behind your stairs. And that looks like they have like a nice linen closet. Let's go upstairs and see what they have. Let's go upstairs and see what they have. This is my first time actually being here. So we both are seeing this together for the first time. Here's your loft. I love when they have areas like this, because I would definitely have it as a desk, game room, not game room, but like a gaming desk for my son, because he loves the game. Check it out. Even got the new DJ systems here. DJs are blowing up. Then behind here leads us to the primary bedroom. Now this does have an option for a secondary closet. So you have your primary closet right there. And then you can have a secondary closet. I wonder what structural option. Oh, so you have an option, yeah, for a dual closet. I wonder what structural they will change. You have to have shower combo, his and her sink. Turn back around, let's look at the rest of the rooms. Like I said, this model is called the Spruce. It's 2,465 square feet, 3 bed, 2.5 bath. Love how the beds are just laid out here, and they decorated just how it looks. Boy, girl, girl, boy. I like the boy decoration. Very nice, and you have your laundry room here. And then you're gonna have your full bath. Now, my name is Antonio Snow. You make sure you reach out to me. You're looking for a home in Cadence, and remember, there's no tour like a snow tour.